Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Back at it again with another, I'm gonna let you say another. All right.
We had to stay. My little joker and my little juice. I'm on a high life with my guys. We living good life. It's alright. I just wanna chill with my gang in the boat. I have life is more than enough. She just wanna roll with the gang, cause she know.
Today's a little different with it's the ice cream truck guy. I'm making a video, for God's sake. He doesn't respect me. So we're gonna do a hair tutorial today. So far I have leave-in conditioner in my hair. This is what I used. It's an Eco Styling Gel. I have a whole tub of Eco Styling Gel right here. Why does he keep doing that? What I'm shooting. Oh my God, I had to close the window. All right, so I'm gonna do, I lost my train of thought and everything. So first step, what I usually do when I'm doing my ponytails and stuff is I don't put in a ponytail like this right away. I section my hair into like pieces. So let's go. All right, so like the sections doesn't really have to be perfect. As you can see, I just kind of like parted it with my hand. And I continue to do this like throughout my whole hair because it kind of helps with stretching the hair out, because 4C hair, our hair tend to like shrink. So yeah, don't forget to brush. You definitely have to brush after putting the gel on the hair. Definitely brush it, and that does also help in the whole stretching process.
Let me serenade you like I'm Frank Ocean. Yeah. Let me serenade you. Let me serenade you. Let me serenade you like I'm Frank Ocean.
Did you already like this video? Did you subscribe? Like, what are you doing?
Celebrate your life, just have a toast up. Been around them bliggies and packs and toasters. You an island girl and I'm by coast. Many men want my life. Many, you're still my wife. Many men want. Hey God, I live my life inside the sauna. We get high, marijuana. Got you live, got you performing. Gucci on, you got Kblnks. Saint Laurent, and we can run up. One on one, I keep it hunting. No. If you knew, I don't know why, I feel so brand new. Yeah. If you knew, I don't know why all these guys ain't do right by you. Yeah. It's our life, they don't know that it's ours. Love so light, I could call it Pixar. You so bad, gotta take a picture. Tell you lies while I play guitar. Feel so right, but it's kinda bizarre. They use knife, keep giving me scars. Beat me up, cause I'm trying to hit Mars. And if I land, I'm aiming for the stars. Please don't leave for me. I cannot lie, don't know why I need your remedy. Yeah. It's OG. It's a vibe, deep of vibe got me falling free.
To be honest, I really stole this video idea from my sister. She also did the same look. I'm gonna put her link down below.
I live my life inside the sauna. We get high, marijuana. Got you live, got you performing. Gucci on, you got Kblnks. Saint Laurent, and we can run up. One on one, I keep it hunting. No. I don't know why, I feel so brand new.
hope you guys like this look. This is the final product. I wasn't really going anywhere, so I didn't really want to beat my face, so I just did little eyebrows. You know what I'm saying? So don't judge me. I'm not a makeup artist. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Period, poo.
They want to feel my robo, 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 scare, 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 robo. Say they want my combo. Say they want to feel my robo, 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 scare, scare.